Kirby Hall is more than just a historic house. It's a portal into England's grand architectural past. As one of England's great Elizabethan houses, Kirby Hall embodies the spirit of an era marked by ambition, elegance, and sheer architectural brilliance. Walking through its vast echoing halls and meticulously kept gardens, you can almost hear the whispers of centuries gone by. Built in 1570 by Sir Humphrey Stafford and later enhanced by Sir Christopher Hatton, Kirby Hall is a splendid example of Elizabethan architecture fused with later classical influences. The first glimpse of its grand facade is enough to make you pause and take it all in. The symmetry, the intricate stone carvings, and the sheer scale of the structure are breathtaking. As you enter through the courtyard, you're greeted by a mesmerizing blend of ruined and restored spaces. Though some parts of the hall have succumbed to the ravages of time, their remnants tell tales of grandeur and lavish living. The surviving sections, meticulously restored, offer a glimpse into the opulent lifestyle of its former residents. The Great Hall, once the centerpiece of social gatherings, still resonates with an air of dignity despite its partial ruin. One of the most intriguing aspects of visiting Kirby Hall is its juxtaposition of decay and preservation. Rooms that once hosted noble banquets and private conversations now lie in silent reflection of their former glory. The empty windows frame sweeping views of the gardens, where neatly trimmed hedges and vibrant flower beds contrast with the austere stone walls. The long gallery, one of the hall's most impressive features, stretches out in an imposing line. Walking its length, you can't help but imagine the gossip, politics, and flirtations that must have filled the space during its prime. The absence of furnishings only amplifies the hall's majestic bones. Each stone, arch, and cornice tells a story of aristocratic pride and the passage of time. Kirby Hall's gardens are nothing short of spectacular. Originally designed in the formal Renaissance style, they have been meticulously restored to their 17th century splendor. Strolling through the manicured paths, you're surrounded by topiary, intricate parterres, and fountains that shimmer in the sunlight. The gardens are a tranquil haven, reflecting the hall's grandeur while softening it with natural beauty. One particularly charming feature is the restored formal garden, with its symmetrical design and carefully curated plantings. The peacocks strutting around add a touch of aristocratic flair, their iridescent feathers catching the light as they move gracefully through the grounds. Visiting Kirby Hall is not just about observing history, it's about feeling it. The hall's unique blend of grandeur and decay creates an atmosphere that's both melancholic and majestic. Whether you're a history enthusiast, an architecture lover, or just someone seeking a peaceful escape, Kirby Hall leaves a lasting impression. If you ever find yourself wandering through Northamptonshire, don't miss the chance to step into this remarkable relic of England's past. Kirby Hall is not just a building, it's an experience, a story etched into stone and soil, waiting to be discovered.